Look younger in 5 minutes, a natural facelift mask that left plastic surgeons speechless. The first appearance of wrinkles can cause panic and despair even in the strongest women. Some have it easier, and their wrinkles are less apparent and visible, while in others they are much more visible. Whatever the case, all women would like to have a magic marker to erase them as soon as they appear, from their face, neck, hands and every other body part where they appear. There are a number of different commercial creams and masks, the truth to be told they're often ineffective on the long run. These creams may temporarily plump up skin and smooth out the finest of wrinkles, but not the deep wrinkles. For the deep wrinkles you need something stronger and natural, because only by using natural ingredients you will take advantage of all their beneficial properties. Not only will these be more effective, but they'll also save you a lot of money and eliminate the unwanted side effects. We've got the best anti-wrinkle homemade mask which will erase all the signs of aging from your skin, and your face will restore its youthful look once again. It will make your skin tighter, smoother, more hydrated, and you'll look healthy and nourished. The best thing is that it's not expensive, and it's super easy to prepare. Here's how to make it. Egg white and lemon facelift mask. Ingredients: 1 egg white, a half teaspoon lemon juice. Preparation: take 1 medium egg and separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Pour the egg white in a small bowl and beat it until it's foamy. Add the lemon juice and continue beating it until it's all well combined, and your mask will be ready. How to use: first, clean well your face and neck thoroughly. Wash and dry your hands as well. With your fingertips, take a bit of mixture and start applying it on your face, using gentle, circular movements. As soon as you start applying it, you'll notice it drying off quickly. Once you're done with the application, let it dry off completely 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. Finally, apply your favorite moisturizer. Repeat the process 3 to 4 times a week for best result. Soon you'll notice amazing result. In addition to starting this treatment, you need to do some lifestyle changes if you want to look young and beautiful as long as you can. Don't stress out too much, try to relax and enjoy the little things in life. Be around positive people, laugh as much as you can, simply enjoy life as it is. Eat fresh organic food, drink plenty of water and sleep for 7 to 8 hours every night. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.